McCavity, the mystery cat. What a beautiful imagination of the poet T.S. Eliot, given as in a poem in your book Honeydew. Today we are going to do this poem. But before we start reading this poem, let me introduce this character to you. McCavity is a fictional or imaginary character in one of the T.S. Eliot's poetry book, Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. It's the only book which T.S. Eliot has written for younger audience. Now McCavity is actually a cat, but he has been despised as a criminal. The hardcore criminal that you see in movies who are very difficult to catch hold of. So McCavity is also like that character who plays the crime, who does the crime, but vanishes from the scene. None of the police could ever catch him. And this reminds me of the dialogue from movie Dawn. Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. So that particular dialogue fits very perfectly to this character, McCavity. The poet T.S. Eliot has so beautifully described this character in his poem by giving such minute details of his looks and his behavior that at one point of time you actually feel, does this cat really exist? And now in today's video, I'm just going to make you familiar with the poem and the new vocabulary used here. So let's get started. McCavity, the Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. First, let's get to know something about the poet. Thomas Stearns Eliot was born on 26 September 1888 in US. He was a poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and an editor. In 1914, he moved to England for settlement, work, and marriage. He won a Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948, an Order of Merit also in 1948. He died on 4th January 1965 at the age of 76 in London. This poem is taken from his book Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. In this book, he has written light and entertaining poems about cats. Let's start reading the poem now. McCavity's a mystery cat. He's called the Hidden Paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. He's the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying Scots' despair. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. McCavity, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He's very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. McCavity, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by-street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. McCavity is a mystery cat. He's called the Hidden Paw. Mystery means unknown, and Hidden Paw is the nickname given to the cat. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Criminal is a person who commits a crime. Defy means to disobey. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the Flying Scots' despair. Bafflement means confusion, and despair means sadness. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. He's broken every human law, he breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation means the power of raising something in the air without physical support. Fakir is a person who lives alone and who has no property. Stare means to look at something continuously. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity's not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. Seek means to search. Basement is an underground area. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity's not there. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Ginger cat is a cat whose coat is ginger colored. That is, the hair of the cat have the color of ginger. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Sunken in means have gone deep inside something. Sunken is the third form of sink. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Brow means eyebrow, and domed means in the shape of a dome. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Dusty means dirty. Neglect means ignored. And whiskers are the long hair on the cheeks of the animals near nose. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. Sways means moves. And when you think he's half asleep, he's always wide awake. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity, for he's a fiend in feline shape, a monster of depravity. Fiend means devil. Feline refers to the species of cats. Depravity means moral corruption, those who do not have any moral values. Immoral, in other words. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. By street is the side street. And here square means an open space in the center of the town. It's like a meeting place for people. But when a crime's discovered, then McCavity's not there. So, that was an interesting poem, right? But I'll come back again with the explanation of this poem, and I'm going to tell you line by line what every word and every line means in this poem. Wait till my next video. Thank you very much. Take good care of yourself.